Selamat pagi semua. Saya Fatimah Alamin from Kajang. Previously, I am ex-banker with one of International Islamic Bank. So, my sharing hari ini, kenapa saya mengambil Next Bio ni? Okay, saya diagnosed with autoimmune system, which is cirrhosis. This is happened after COVID-19. Okay. We know that cirrhosis is can't be cured. So I think everybody knows that, which is your skin will be ada flare and on and off akan berlaku flare. Walaupun you ambil any supplement or steroid pun dia akan keep on flare. Dia proses yang berulang-ulang. Okay, bila baik dia akan jadi balik, baik akan jadi balik. So this is my life going to be with this cirrhosis. Okay, with Next Bio, saya ambil ini untuk mempercepatkan proses dia the flare tu. Because of I notice bila I ambil Next Bio, dia cepat, the flare dia cepat hilang. Sebabnya I juga ambil Livco, Shilto, Zekoso and Medifree. Okay, yes it's help, but with this Next Bio, dia akan lebih cepat proses untuk pengelupasan kulit dan flare. And then dia tak berdebu, macam you know lah, bila cirrhosis patient bila dia duduk mana-mana kan, the flare akan jatuh dan berterabur tau. But with this Next Bio, dia tak berterabur, dia climb macam tu, and then you easily boleh kopek dia, and then boleh mandikan easily, boleh kopek and then tak berdarah. Pengak tu kan tidak akan keep on garu. You can resist untuk orang yang cirrhosis tahulah. You can resist untuk garu until berdarah, few time berdarah pun you still garu lagi because of the itchiness tu is hard to bear. Okay, and then masa saya ambil Next Bio, I tak realise this the benefit of ambil Next Bio ni. As I ambil, one of the reason is bila saya pernah buat treatment juga di alternative treatment juga, and then which is the most important is to identify what is the root cause dulu. So which is the liver and the gut as well. So that's why I know that Next Bio and Livco is a good combination together with Shilto. So okay, to be frank, I spent a lot on the alternative treatment before. Actually, like doing the blood test 3,000 plus, and then the consultation fee pun 250, and the supplement itself pun beribu-ribu. I spend a lot on that until my upline introduced me to Livco. So she kept on serving on Livco. So the what we call that the product that opened my mind, opened my heart to a BE product because of Livco. Because I know that I need to detox my liver, I need to take care of my liver and the gut as well. So that's why I'm taking Zenkoso as well and Shilto. So since then, I think in December, I'm taking this frequently as my daily routine, because I know this is the what we call that the product that will help me. And the first time that bila doctor mentioned to me that this is cirrhosis. That time is I'm doing a treatment in Riyadh, you see, because my husband working in Riyadh. So by that time I'm blank, and then when doctor mentioned you having cirrhosis, because I know what cirrhosis is, because my father also diagnosed with cirrhosis. So I'm quiet. We are both of us quiet. The doctor quiet, I'm also quiet. And maybe the doctor expecting me to cry all the time, but I didn't cry. I just silent. Both of us silent, because I know that this is going to be my whole life that I have to bear with it. So okay. And another this morning on Next Bio, you know that dengue cirrhosis patient having difficulty to sleep because I have insomnia. Sometimes I can't sleep for the whole week or so. So I have to force myself to sleep. Okay, Livco, yes, it's helped me to sleep, but I still have to force myself. So, but with this Nets Bio, okay, I feel sleepy. Sometimes let's say 10, 11, I feel sleepy already. That is to me is not a normal thing to me because I'm used to wait until 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and only sleep after school. After send my daughter to school, then only I can sleep. So that's why sometimes I wake up at I sleep at 8 and I wake up at 10. So that's what my routine every day. Okay, but with this Nets Bio, I feel I can't bear with this sleep. I must sleep. So I told my brother that I need to sleep now. I'm very sleepy. So with that is and I have a quality sleep after I'm taking Nets Bio. And Livco also I have a deep sleep, but I